Hi, it's Anita again from Anita's Kitchen. So today I just fancied having aubergine and chickpea curry. I love aubergines in any form and any shape, baked, roasted, fried, and chickpea is one of my favorite legumes around because it's full of proteins and it just fills me up, and it's one of those grains that I use a lot in my salads. And this is simple, it's done in about 5 minutes. For what I'm going to do first, the ingredients that you need about 1 tomato, 1 clove of garlic, a chili, and the spices that I'm going to be using is mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, chilies, and a bit of fennel seeds. Fennel seeds are really good for you for your digestion, and I love fennel tea as well. It's just a nice aroma and it's used a lot in Indian cooking. So the first thing we do is we're going to temper the spices. So we want all the flavors to come through. Bit of oil. I'm going to be using red chilies as well because red chilies just gives a nice heat to the whole dish. There you go. Roast them around. And these Kashmiri chilies give a nice heat to the whole dish, and they're used a lot in Indian cooking. Then you add your garlic. You want your garlic to be like a golden brown color. You don't want that bitter raw taste in your mouth. So that would cook for about a minute or so. And then your tomatoes. Tomatoes just add a nice freshness to the whole dish. So you just need to cook them. And add a bit of water because you want the tomatoes to break down. So it becomes into a nice pulp. And the pulp is where you're going to get the juice. And I'm going to be using, because I haven't got aubergines, I'm going to be using an aubergine dip. So about a spoonful. And this is going to be the base of the curry. The aubergine dip and the tomatoes is the base of this curry. So you whack up your heat. It's going to add a bit of salt and turmeric. And a spoonful of coriander and cumin seeds powder. And a squeeze of lemon to bring that zing and the citrus flavor to the dish. So you need to just roll it around because you don't want the paste to stick. And you put your chickpeas in. I've just used tin chickpeas because they're cooked anyways and it's easy to do as well. The normal chickpeas, the dried ones, you will need to soak them overnight. See, roll it around. A few more minutes. So you could eat this as well the next day as a cold salad, and it tastes really nice. So I'm now ready to plate up. Nice and easy. And I would tend to eat this with my chapattis as well, or just a bit of bread, or sometimes I just have it with my crackers. There you go. There you go guys, my aubergine and chickpea curry. Enjoy. Make sure you make it and give me a thumbs up.